Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a gorgeous property situated in Porto Bello, one of Montego Bay's most prominent communities. Porto Bello comprises of middle to upper income families and returning residents. This well laid out home consists of 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, enclosed double garage, and a self contained 1 bedroom apartment. Ideal for income generation or guests. The property also has a spacious balcony that offers majestic views of the mountains and surrounding area. As a bonus feature, this property is being sold with an additional lot directly behind the house. The total land area of this property is approximately 15,100 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Canadian 400,000, US 314,000, or Jamaican $48.3 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.